Hey you guys, it's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. I don't know how we got here, but we are somehow doing a spring FabFitFun unboxing. You guys love these unboxings on my channel and I love doing them for you. It's truly like the highlight of the season whenever I get these because it's just a bunch of new goodies to get me excited for the upcoming season and do a little refresh, add some fun new products to just like my regular life and my routine. I say this every time, but I pick the products and then they send me the box and I black out whenever I pick the products. So it's basically like opening a Christmas present whenever it comes to my door. So I'm so excited for this month. I don't know what's in here because went right over my head, but I do have a code. Okay, so if you get the annual subscription promo, there's a gift with purchase and you type in LAURENLUTOGIFT. Or if you do the seasonal subscription, you get 20% off your first box with code LAURENLUTO. I have two different options for codes. I'll put the codes below in the description as well, and I'll put the direct link to get a box. I think it's time to get into the unboxing because I'm way too excited. Also, I didn't eat anything today and the sun's going down, so I'm like eating my ramen noodles in between unboxing things. No matter how old I get, ramen noodles just always slap. I don't know why. Now that I've had my ramen noodles, let's get into the unboxing. Oh, the inside's a cute little flower because it is springtime. Like, did Christmas even happen? I'm confused. Okay, so I guess we're gonna start with the Bondi Boost. I love Bondi Boost. I have their shampoo and conditioner and a few of their hair products, and I'm obsessed. I'm a Bondi Boost stan, and in this one, apparently they have the anti-frizz flyaway wand. Now, these are a lifesaver, especially if you're doing a slick back hairstyle and you're going out for the day and you're not gonna have time to run home, redo your hair. You throw this in your bag, you get in your car, pull down your little mirror, and you can just literally go like that and get away with all your flyaways. These things are incredible, so I'm really excited to try Bondi Boost specific brand because I love everything else they put out. You can also do it when your hair is down. I usually don't, just because I kind of let my hair do whatever, but if you have like a lot of like breakage and like flyaways on top, you could literally just go like that and push it down. You have a lot of flyaways or a lot of breakage and you do a lot of slick back styles to kind of like help heal it and do moisturizing masks and stuff, this is something that you need to help with your flyaways. All right, what do we have next? Rose Ink Ultra Black Lash Lift Serum Mascara. Okay, I love trying different mascaras. Like long lashes is probably one of my favorite things, like just on a face in general. Like if I have a long lash, I feel 10 times better about myself. It's the same thing with like a self tan. So I love that there's a lash serum in this as well. Really cute packaging. I don't know if I've heard of this brand necessarily. Maybe I have and I'm just blanking, but this is a black mascara, has some lash serum, so whenever you apply the mascara, it's also going to help in growing your lashes. I have not tested this product out ever, so TBD if the lash serum is like doing its thing. Ooh, I love when they have like a little curve. I feel like it helps whenever you're applying the mascara to like really lengthen the lashes, but I'm really excited to try this and hopefully it just adds to my lash length. They've been doing really good recently because I'm a big lash serum stan. I do it every night and every morning, so I'm excited to start implementing it into my mascara routine or just my makeup routine. I don't have a mascara routine, I just apply mascara. This looks like jewelry. This is from Crystal Haze. I don't know if I'm familiar with that brand either, but what did I pick out? I don't know, I'm excited. It's a little. Oh, I got earrings. Wait, these are cute. Okay, I do remember picking these because I've been wearing a lot more silver recently and I mainly only own gold jewelry, but I've been wanting to wear silver more, and so I got these little hoop earrings that have like little diamond like rhinestone crystal things, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna put them in right now. I like to mix my jewelry with gold and silver, and I have a silver bag and I've been like, ugh, I can't really wear this because I don't have much jewelry to pair with it, but oh my god, look how stunning these are. They're so dainty and girly and it has just like that little sparkle. I'm going to go out this weekend and I'm gonna bring my silver bag so that I can wear these earrings. Oh my God, these are so cute. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, they're just like so dainty. I love a little hoop. And I feel like even if you're wearing like activewear or something more chill, I think just adding a little earring, a little ring with it really like finishes the look and makes it look more elevated, even though you're wearing something that's more loungy vibes. But I'm so excited about these earrings. They are so stunning. Okay, what is this? Ooh, a perfume oil. Okay, this brand, I was very excited when I saw it. It's the, oh, I'm gonna butcher this. I have their candle, Maison Louis Marie. I might be right, I might be wrong. It says perfume oil, but I have their candle literally on my nightstand right here. It is like the cutest, most aesthetic candle, and the scent is so yummy. That candle actually was really expensive, so I can only imagine that this is also expensive. This brand is really good. Oh my gosh, it's a little perfume. Okay, you can see by the aesthetic, like it's just so cute and girly and chic. Oh my God, is this the smell of my candle? This is number 4. Oh, it's a twist, not a pull. Oh, it's a roll-on. Wait, it is the smell of my candle. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Yes, if you want to smell expensive, you need this. This is like the perfume that you bring out on like special occasions. Like I love having specific perfumes that I'm like, I'm only gonna wear this if I am dressed up, I'm going out to celebrate, or just have like a really good night, have really good vibes, feel really good about myself. This is one of those perfumes that's, if you get the full size of this, it's probably like so expensive. I do feel like this would last quite a while since it's a roll-on, but it has like a very like rosy floral scent, and it's giving rich. I'm not gonna lie, it is giving rich. Bottle, so cute. This is perfect if you're dating like myself. I always like to throw a really tiny perfume in my purse, so that way I can like go to the bathroom and I can refresh and come back, and then they get a whiff of me and I'm just like, oh, sorry, where were we? I don't actually do that. I'm much more of a dork in person, but I literally, actually, you guys, I have 2 dates this weekend, which is so unlike me. I have a date tomorrow, and then I have a date Sunday, and you best believe I'm gonna be bringing this out. Also, fun fact, on a first date, you wanna wear your favorite perfume, and you wanna keep it consistent as you're dating the guy, so that literally anytime he gets a whiff of that perfume, he thinks of you, or like when he thinks of you, it's like, oh, like that perfume, like it's a constant in their minds. If you're getting a box, you have to get this. It's so good. I love this brand. Okay, I'm already obsessed. This is Osea. I don't even know how to correctly pronounce it. I have their body wash, I have their body oil. They have such good self-care products, and they just, I guess they just came out, or this has been out, with a age-defying eye serum. Oh, it is Best of Allure. That's how you know it's good. I believe this is like an eye serum you roll on, which is my favorite. Yes, and their packaging is always so cute. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love rollers like this where they're like metal, and I don't know if this was metal, but it's really cold when you apply it on your skin and your eyes. So as I put it under my eyes, it's gonna be depuffing as well, because these always just like have a cooler temperature. Oh, that's cute. And it's called Ocean Eyes, which, cue Billie Eilish. As I'm nearing 30, I have noticed around my eyes that when I smile, like I start to get lines, and I'm not against aging, but it is kind of weird to see your face changing and you're like, oh shit, like I actually am getting older. So I've been laying heavy on the self-care and the eye products and the creams, and just to help maybe slow down the process, help get rid of the lines. I know it's so natural, which I'm fine with, but I'm just trying to keep it under control so it doesn't get too crazy. But I'm very excited to try this. This brand is incredible if you're looking for like a really good body care, self-care brand. I don't even know what this is. I just saw Bala. I just saw this brand and I immediately clicked it. I don't even know what the product is, but I love like the Bala bands or the Bala bands, because I think their products are so aesthetic, one, and they have the cutest colors. They have like the ankle weights and the hand weights and all of that stuff, but it says enjoy 2 free months of mind-bending ball-of-fueled workouts. Okay. Oh, so this is 2 months of a workout thing? That's like insane. That stuff is usually so expensive. So they do give you a code for workouts on this little piece of paper. And then they gave me these, which I'm thinking is like when you are in a plank and you put your feet and then you're like moving your feet in and out. I think that's what these are for. You can also like have them on your hands and you like move them on the floor. I'm assuming that's what these are. It feels as though that's what this is. So I also love this color. It's giving like a sage green. I think these are stunning. I really want to get like the ankle weights and all the weights. I want to get like a full set of stuff so I can do cute workouts at home. And it also has a little pouch that it can go inside of. If you're not wanting to spend money on workout classes and you're wanting to do more stuff at home, I think this would be a great option to add to your box so you have tons of different options. I always just go on YouTube and type in like this specific workout. So you could literally type in like, we're gonna find the correct word for these, and then you would type that word in and type in like workout, and it'll literally give you just like a full workout that you can do at your house. YouTube has so much stuff on it, it's insane. And with that, we come to the end of the unboxing. I always love doing these because they are so much fun and I always get so many exciting products. I think I'm most excited about this one right now because I'm obsessed with the candle that I have of this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you're getting a box, comment down below what goodies you picked. If you get any of these, tell me what you think of them. Make sure you use the code LaurenLutoGift or LaurenLuto for whatever box subscription you decide to go with. But this season's box is so good. I'm literally so excited about everything that I got. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to be better about posting weekly. I keep saying that in like all my videos, but I really am making it a goal in 2025 to post consistently every single week. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. I like doing the unboxings and like try on hauls. I want to get more into vlogs and just showing you guys my everyday life, but you guys let me know below what you would like to see from me. That is it for this week's video. So thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Thank you for your support always. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.